My name is JP. I have Zilla Garage. We sell Origin Lab, Urus, and Car Modify Wonder all in stock. And you can come over here. So we have hoods, type 2. We have Urus boxes, Car Modify Wonder. Everything's always in stock and ready to pick up. We also have old bridge seats. This one specific is carbon Kevlar, so it is super light. Carry it with one hand. And we do have an HKS Brid collab, 2 Zeta 2s and 1 Zeta 1. Also available in stock and inventory. All right, so you guys are gonna hear my cat Crinkle meowing in the background. But if you guys are interested in placing an order, you can message me on Instagram or through the website. I have a contact tab. I prefer Instagram. I usually respond within 30 minutes to an hour, and you guys can message me there if you're interested in any products. And I carry a variety of brands, so it's Car Modify Wonder, Urus, Origin Lab, and a majority of the parts are for S chassis and FRS chassis. I carry as much as I can variety, but because I am a small business, I can only carry so much inside my shop. So what I have is what I sell. I don't do special order or pre-order. And if you guys are interested in getting anything, you guys can let me know. I do prefer a 24-hour notice beforehand picking up, but usually if I'm here, I can make it happen within an hour. Get your parts ready. You guys can come here, pick up the parts, check out the shop, look at the cats. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I'm a small business hoping to grow and continue supplying parts to the Southern California drift community and show cars. Thank you guys. This is Crinkle. She was actually born outside the shop, and I brought her in, and now she's here forever. Right, Crinkle? Yeah, tell them. Tell them we have everything in stock. Oh, she got shy. You're okay.